Oh yes, the Shark cordless upright vacuum with anti-hair wrap. I love this. And there's the Shark corded upright vacuum cleaner with lift away pets model. I love this. I love the Shark. And I like the Shark corded stick with anti-hair wrap. Love it. Now, to the Shark vacuums, now we're going to look for the Hoover vacuums. Now, the Goblin vacuums is Goblin's most £60. That is very cheap and doesn't pick us up much. So that one is not good. And the Russell Hobbs vacuum. But this is the most cheapest vacuum ever. So we'll get the blenders.